Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where you get the error 0x8007016A, the cloud file provider is not running on OneDrive in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for OneDrive server status and hit enter. Okay, if you're searching for it on Bing, it will immediately tell you the OneDrive server status, whether it's operational or not. Or else you can go to websites like Down Detector and check if there is an ongoing outage. Okay, now once this is sorted out, if it still doesn't help, then find OneDrive. Okay, and if you don't find OneDrive in this list, then search for OneDrive here and go to OneDrive and open it. So this will launch OneDrive. Now click on OneDrive here, click on the settings symbol, click on this download pointing arrow associated with pause syncing, quit OneDrive, close OneDrive. Now search for OneDrive once again and go to OneDrive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.